But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Vaibhavi. I'm a design student doing my majors in user experience. It is the jury season, which means everything is so chaotic and messed up and all over the place. So I have my jury next week and I have multiple presentations to make, documents to keep ready. I have to get them printed, little refinements and improvements here and there in our projects for different courses with different groups of people. Since most of our projects are group projects, it does get a little chaotic when all the groups want to work on different projects at the same time, because some of us even have our juries together. Apart from the jury prep also, I have a few more things to do, which is why I first started by making a to-do list, a really long one, and honestly just writing down all of these things I had to do made it feel so much more manageable and doable for some reason, and made me feel like things will fall into place because now I at least know what to do. Explain what exactly a jury is. So it's basically a presentation of all the work you've done throughout the semester. So there's a panel of 3 to 4 jury members you present your work to. They are your college faculty and sometimes externals too. And these jurors then ask you about your concept, your ideas, decisions, your process, and give feedback and ask questions based on your presentation and a few questions on theory too. So you just have to know your projects really well along with the theory. Because we don't have any written tests as such, jury is our NSEM examination where we graded 25% of our grades, and 75% is like continuous assessment throughout the courses, throughout the semester. So yeah, that is how it works. semester, we had also worked on a website, like we had to create web pages, and it was my first time coding. So we had learned HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Java for front end, and PHP for back end. So using that, I linked the web page to a database from where it would fetch and display the information. So this was one cool project we did this semester. Like, web development was completely new to me, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out for the first time, with it being responsive and stuff. So yeah, that was pretty exciting. On the jury day, I woke up early, studied a little more theory in the morning, got ready, had my breakfast on the way to college, and reached the classroom. There was one jury before me, and it went on for so long. Then it was my turn, and mine also went on for so long. I think it was almost like 1.5 hour, and it was the longest jury I've given till now. But they gave good detailed feedback, which did make me think about the projects I worked on in a whole new direction. But yeah, it went well, and when I got back home, I obviously slept for some time without the jury stress. I had an interview also scheduled that evening for another project, and then I made some pasta for dinner for us to celebrate. It was actually really good. And yeah, that was it for the jury vlog. I hope you all liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.